Making time for an art practice can be really challenging. First of all, where do we find the time and what should we paint? Well, to help overcome these challenges, I created a monthly habit tracker as well as 30 floral art prompts. You can find these prompts over on my website and I'll put all the links below. Today I am picking prompt number 9, masked florals. First of all, I use a few minutes to get myself set up. I'm using a vintage illustration book just to help me gather some ideas. I'm going to be using masking fluid to paint in my design, and then I'm going to add some ink over the top of this to create a really interesting and fun technique. The idea behind all of these prompts is to get your creativity flowing. We can usually spend so much time dreaming about all the things that we want to create, and instead we end up scrolling for ages or not getting around to starting. So just take 10 minutes into your day, take a few minutes to get set up, pick an art prompt and just start creating. You'll often find that your time goes really fast and you'll want to keep going. So I really hope that you go and download all of the prompts, get some ideas going and start creating. If you've enjoyed watching me create today, then come join me inside my membership. Inside you'll find a floral art challenge where you'll see me using some of these prompts and creating tutorials on them. There's also so much more inspiration and guidance for you in your art practice, so I hope you'll come join me. Take a look via the links below, but whatever you do, stay happy and keep creating.